This is Chloe. She's 1 month old today. I cannot get enough of the crazy ways that she sleeps. She makes really, really funny noises when she sleeps. I don't know if she's going to do any right now. It's kind of a hit and miss. Trial and error. Maybe I'll just get 30 seconds of Chloe sleeping. Because that looks like that's what she's going to do. Chloe. Hey, Chloe. I'm not going to wake her up. It takes forever to get her to go to sleep. Okay, that's enough. Wait. Yes. And there you have it, folks. Those sounds make my day. Alright. That was awesome. Alright, bye.